Hello and welcome back to Ross Taylor Woodworks. Little shop project here. A couple weeks ago I was out picking Waverly Township and came across this light fixture. This was in the picking Waverly Township video, and found these reflectors as well. And I've already tested this and test fitted these, and these covers will work with this fixture. So I'm going to build a new light fixture for right over the workbench here. Okay, I was kind of amazed when I test fitted these. The fixture has little slots right here, and the reflectors have these little tongues, and they fit right into those, perfectly right into those little slots. Okay, the only issue right in the middle, there's a little gap. I think what I'm going to do here is just fill in with a block of wood, screw that to the light fixture, and then I can screw the reflectors to the block of wood. Okay, I've had this halogen light up here for a long time. It uses two 150 watt halogen bulbs. Okay, did some measuring and I found the center of the workbench up on the ceiling here. And I'm going to hang the light on chains. And go right into the ceiling joist. And each chain will be 8 feet on center since the light fixture is 8 feet long. I've got one end resting on the bench. Then I'm going to hook it onto the chain. Right now I'm not concerned about the height. I can adjust the height later. Okay, I just adjusted it up a little bit. And I'll just double check it with the tape measure. Got about 5 1/4 and 5 1/4 on the other end. Okay, now I'm going to wire up the light. There's already a clamp here that was in the light fixture. Okay, I just temporarily stole the light bulbs out of this fixture here. These are two single bulb fixtures tied together at the end here. Now that's been in for ever since I had the shop here. And I just stuck those bulbs in here for testing purposes. And I'll either get new bulbs for that or get new bulbs for this and just swap these back over. I moved the halogen light over into the middle here. Gives a little more wattage right in the middle here. There's about 300 watts of light right in the middle here. I've got it plugged in over here. There's a wire that loops over. I've got all these backlights on a back switch here. So this plug goes around and down into the switch here. Alright, things didn't quite go to plan here. After this warmed up for 10 to 15 minutes, it was making the loudest hum I've ever heard from a fluorescent light fixture. So I started researching the ballast for this. Took the covers back off, looked at the ballast, took pictures, and tried to find the right ballast for this. But this is an old magnetic ballast, and the new electronic ballasts are wired up differently. So I scratched my head trying to figure out what to do, and then realized I had a light fixture in the basement. That's the same 2-bulb fixture. So I just simply swapped the ballast with that fixture. Then got two 75-watt fluorescent tubes for it. Works perfectly. Now the one down in the basement will hum a little bit, but that's not a big deal. I can live with that for a while until I find the right ballast for the one in the basement and then just swap that one out.